In this video I'm going to show you how to enable your Wi-Fi driver on Windows 11. So what we need to do is go to the search bar and type in Device Manager. Then select the Device Manager and this screen will be opened. The next step is to search for network adapters. As you can see, if you click on the little arrow, this will unfold. And as you can see, we've got different drivers, but you can go through all of them, but you also can search for the Wi-Fi driver. And as you can see, it is over here. Now, if you select it and then right click on it, you will find an option to enable device. Now, once you have enabled this device, it will take a couple of seconds till it will show up in the list. Now, if we have enabled the Wi-Fi driver, we can close out the device manager. Now, as soon as you have enabled the Wi-Fi driver, you can go to your taskbar and select this option. Then this will show up, and as you can see, the Wi-Fi driver is now enabled, so you can connect with the local Wi-Fi. And that is how you enable your Wi-Fi option in Windows 11. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!